craft friends, welcome to my Sanvi's Art and Craft. My name's Sanvi. As I mentioned, it is the very first ever episode, so I really want you guys to follow on what I'm doing today. Today we're going to be making the simple origami envelope. The things you will need is a A4 paper. It can be any color or it can just be plain. You will need a glue stick and you will need a scale. So the first thing you need to do is get your paper, and you need to fold. So take a corner and fold this like that. Just flatten this. Okay, so it will be like this. Next, you need to take your scale. You can use a scale if you like, but if you're really good at cutting without a scale, you can do it, but I'm not really good at that. So I'm using the scale, and make sure it is at the edge of the triangle and just flip it like that. Now, open it up. So now we need to get this corner and just connect it, but don't connect it in the middle. So something like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now let's do this area. So in the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now you can see there's a line here and a line here. So we're going to get this corner and put it in the middle. And then smoothen this up. Let's get the other corner. So remember, this corner and this corner have to be touching. Like that. Now, put your two thumbs here and your thumb, put your two fingers here, put your thumbs here and drag this all the way to the middle. Lift it up like that. Hold this and smoothen this down. There we go. Now, so we have the shape, but don't normally do it like that. We still need to get this one right here and fold it in. So make sure that it is straight. So make sure first the angle is straight so everything else will be straight. Then kind of get it in. And then there like that. Now let's open this up. Now you can see that this is folded here and you can see these triangles. So 1 and 2. You're going to get your glue stick. Just get a little bit, not too much. And just put some there, put some there, and put some here. And then don't close it, because first we need to fold this, give it a good tap, and then fold this. Now, there's some gaps here, so first make sure the glue is sticking. Okay, blow for it, and then put some glue here. Here. Now we just need to pat this a little bit. So blow it so the glue can kind of dry. There. Let's close this. There we go. Now get your scale and check if there is room for a card inside. So there's no glue sticking here. And then hold it. To make sure these are flat, just fold it. So now we made an envelope. So there's some room inside for a card, and you can put some decoration as well. This green paper. So let's put some glue. And it says SA, so you can put whatever kind of decoration and you can put it wherever you want. I'm just gonna put this right there. Give it a stick. So there we go, our envelope. I hope you like watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.